On Friday, I did a transaction. I was looking to get a notification confirming that everything is well, but I did not get that notification. On Saturday evening, I remember that I went on the platform only to find out that a business I've supported for years suspended that transaction, saying that I need to do some verification, which I've done over and over again. You know, this kind of things happens when you need the transaction to be done like yesterday, but there was this delay and it was really annoying and frustrating. Upon attempting doing the verification, I learned that I needed to provide my bank statement. I went on to Postepay to do it because this is not the first time I've done it. I actually provided my bank statement to do my police character certificate just to verify that I live here in Italy. I went on there and I was lost. I could not remember how I did it the last time. It was very confusing. I was like, how did I get my bank statement the other time? I spent some time on the website. I eventually got to do it. So in this video, I'm going to share that process with you again. The goal of this video is to help you or show you how to download your annual Postepay statement. I will also show you how to download Postepay statement for a specific time frame. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. My name is Gloria and I am Nigerian. I am based in Italy and I've been here for a while. I know a thing or two, and on this channel, I share tips that will help you enjoy your stay in Italy. If it sounds like your cup of tea, do well to join the family. First, you need to visit postepay.poste.it, which is postepay.poste.it. Now, you have to log in, locate the icon, this icon, the one with an illustration of someone in a circle. It says area personale. Going to click on that. Next, you're going to put in your email and password. Basically, your credentials, your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find your name boldly written on the topmost part of the page. You want to scroll down and locate Postepay, le tue carte. Click on that. Now that you can see your card here, you just need to click on Accendi. Two steps verification. I just got mine on my phone, Autoriza. On the next page, you'll be met with your IBAN boldly written on the topmost part of the page and the end of your card. You have to scroll down to Servizi and locate Documenti e Contratti. Click on that. Okay, here you are on the page that says Documenti e Contratti, Postepay, and below you find Servizi e Prodotti Bancari. Here I have two cards. Click on the card that is in use, the one that is active right now. Once you do that, to refresh to this page, you have to go and locate rendicontazione. Click on that, and here is your rendiconto. I have the one for 2024 and I have the one of 2023. I'm just going to click on the one of 2024. It's going to download PDF. So this is it. This is my rendiconto. You have your bank details, your address, IBAN, your codice SWIFT, and here you have an annual bank statement that you can use for whatever you want. You want your bank statement for a particular period of time. This is what you need to do. Still on postepay.poste.it, postepay.poste.it. Click on your name. You would find it on the right side, the topmost right side of the page. Click on it and you'll find my poste. Click on my poste. You'll be brought to that page, the same page I showed you earlier, where you have your full name written in bold. Scroll down again, locate your Postepay card, le tue carte. Click on that. Allow to put. Okay, now you need to scroll down and find the card where you want the information, the card you need information on. Okay, we are back on that page where we have our IBAN boldly written on the topmost part of the page. Click on Movimenti. So Movimenti will show you your income and your expenses. All you have to do is click on this funnel beside where you see cerca tra gli ultimi 40 movimenti. Click on the funnel, periodo, seleziona mesi corrente. If you want a statement for this month, you can use this. Mesi precedente fino ad oggi. That's previous month up until this point. You want a statement for that, you can do that. You want for the last 12 months, ultimi 12 mesi, see. You want for ultimi 10 movimenti, the last 10 transactions you've done, same as the last the last 20 you've done, or the last 40 you've done, or a specific period of time. That's the last one, which it says periodo di tempo specifico. Specifico, not specifico. So just do what you need. Here it says tipologia movimenti, and below it says accredito, a debito. So you want to see what you received or what you spent. Credito means the one you receive, and debito means the one you spend. So let's try with debito. You can filter this as much as you want. So let's see, let's do a checker for that. You see debito, all the money I spent. If you want to see everything within this period, what you spent, what you received, just leave it at seleziona. So you see, you receive what you spend, and what you received. You see February, then we have up until January. It's on 2 pages. Now you can decide to download it in Excel or PDF. I love PDF. Then you have to click, I selected PDF as I just showed, then you click on Scarica Elenco. So I'm just gonna download it. Let's see for the dates. Today is the 10th day in the month of February 2025. And it started from the first day in the month of January 2025. It sticks to the filter we provided. So depending on what you need, you can decide on telling it or filtering it to the point where you get specifically what you want. I hope this video has helped you in one way or another. If yes, just give me a thumbs up or just leave a comment saying well done. That'll make my day.